Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, September 19, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 1.5. You'll see the futures really have been in a trading range ever since we had this little pop higher at 5:30 in the morning. So futures really are just going sideways here, but they are higher ahead of the opening bell. Now, volume trends have been very, very light. Yesterday, we saw some very, very light volume. I think just 40 plus million shares traded on the spiders the entire session. Today is also the start of a two-day Fed meeting, so be aware of that. Tomorrow afternoon at 2 p.m., the Federal Reserve will come out with their interest rate policy statement. We're not expecting them to make any moves, but hey, you never know what can happen. So again, we'll see how this all plays out. But we have lots of stocks in the news. First stock we're going to start the day off with is going to be Nike NKE. It looks like this is downgraded today. The stock is trading at $52.70. So good little sell there. Level I have for Nike today is going to be probably around the $51.05 level, 51.07, somewhere down right around 51 bucks, give or take 10 cents. I do like Nike there for a bounce play, so keep that level on the radar. Next up, we're going to take a look at Autozone. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at $573.94. There is no volume here, so don't make much out of these prints right now. There's no real conviction behind this move, but in sympathy, you want to keep Advanced Auto Parts on your radar. That's ticker symbol AAP. You also want to look at O'Reilly Automotive, ORLY. This is another one that is trading a little bit higher on the back of AutoZone's news. So again, we'll see how this plays out today. No levels that I'm seeing right now are interesting to me, but we will look at these once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. So if you have not done so and you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. And again, we've had a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going. Once again, we had a good day yesterday as well. Let's take a look at UAA, which is Under Armour. They were downgraded as well. Stock is trading at $16.99. Closed at $17.37 yesterday. So this is down ticking a little bit. I'm not seeing a level here just yet, but we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see what else develops once the opening bell rings. Right now, there's not a lot I want to do with this. Let's stick with the upgrades and downgrades. We're going to go with KORS. It looks like this was upgraded today. Stock is trading at 46 and a quarter all the way up here. Closed at $44.67. So this is a good reaction to an upgrade. Again, I'm not seeing anything that I really love for KORS. Ton of resistance at 50, but we're still quite a distance from there, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings, but we'll keep it on the radar. Looks like we do have a little M&A going on here. Bob Evans, B-O-B-E, is being acquired by Post. So again, Bob Evans, nice little move there. Stock closed at $72.93. It's trading at $77.35. If you own Bob Evans, trail your stop loss or take your profits. If you don't own it, leave it alone. There's really not a whole lot to do. Let's take a look at Post. Post this morning, also getting a little bit of a bid. This stock closed at $85.84, now trading at $86.49. Let's take a look at Gap Store GPS. I believe this is an upgrade as well. Stock is trading at $28.50, closed at $27.92. Nothing to do at the moment. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings today. I want to take a look at Mattel and Hasbro. It looks like Toys R Us has officially filed for Chapter 11, so they're going to go into bankruptcy. Let's take a look at Mattel today. Mattel right now trading at $14.82, closed at $14.86, so it's down ticking a little bit. Let's take a look at Hasbro, ticker symbol HAS. This is also trading down at $92 a share, closed at $93.23. A level I do have for Hasbro today, if it does go lower, would be around $89.50, $89.55. So keep that on the radar. There could be a bounce play there. After that, you got to go lower. But that is an initial support level that I am looking at least for now. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading up $1 today. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at 124.35, basically right where it closed. So no real movement in gold, but gold is up 1 point to $1,311.90 an ounce. If we take a look at crude oil today, that is trading up again. That's up 37 cents right now to $50.72 a barrel. So again, if you're looking at the crude oil market today, this is a pretty solid move we've had recently, and this is the November contract that I'm talking about. Take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF. You'll see this is trading at $10.24, up from $10.17 where it closed. So oil on the move again, and oil continues to remain very strong. We do have another hurricane out in the Atlantic, Hurricane Maria, that is scheduled to hit the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. We'll see if that does affect the crude oil markets depending on where it goes after it hits those islands. So again, we'll be watching oil very, very closely, but right now it's holding up fine. I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. If you have not done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a sensational 2017 in there, and we're going to look to keep that going. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.